Today I am going to teach you how to do Python. So first we should say import turtle. T equals turtle dot turtle. And then next T dot speed is going to be 0. Turtle dot BG color is going to be black. Okay. So next color equals angle Canon GENTA magenta and yellow lime orange blue and of course baby blue. Next part in range is going to be 180. Okay. The next is going to be the pencil. Colors is I percentage 6 and done. T dot pen color and next is circle 100 and T dot left is going to be 10 and T dot forward is going to be I divided by 5. Let's see it. Okay, in here I'm going to save it in here. And then make a new folder as new, and then folder as Python. Here I'm going to save it php.py. Okay, graphic.py. Okay, looking good, right? So, whoa, it looks like a snake, right? A bit like a snake, but I'm going to kill this off. Wait, is there baby blue? There is baby blue. Okay, next. Okay. So let's change this to 500. Let's say dot research is going to be 0. Okay, let's go. Oh, I cannot even see that. Gigantic. So, okay, now you 500. Then let's go with 400. Okay. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.